Hey guys, so in this video today, I'm going to show you how to check your account status on TikTok. So this will basically show you if your account is in good standing and following all guidelines. So first and foremost, head over to your profile and then head over to the top right hand corner, click the three lines and then click TikTok Studio. Now when you do this, you're going to want to go down until you see more tools, and here you could check your account and click the first option, and it says right here, my account login is good, the posts are good, comments are good, and everything is good. And then it will just basically run you down through a whole entire account check. You can see here that I have a few that are not in line with TikTok guidelines as it seems, and we could click why here soon, but you can see there's just so much videos that is going through, and this is going to be the last one. So these are restricted, and it says here that I have 23 recent posts that don't follow guidelines. So you could basically check if your account is in good standing by doing that. And yeah, that's how you check your account status on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful.